Are you in need of verifying email addresses on Mac? Introducing SysTools Mac Email Address Checker Tool. A powerful tool to verify thousands of email addresses for accuracy and deliverability. Key features of the software. Bulk email verification accepts a large number of email addresses in bulk and verifies them. Categorization organizes the emails into categories such as syntax, domain, deliverable, undeliverable, and risky. Simple and intuitive dashboard, a user-friendly interface for both technical and non-technical users. Secure and cross-platform, works on both Windows and Mac with 24/7 support. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools. Click on the link that appears in the search results. Then click on the Mac download button. Now, install and run the software. The first interface will appear. The first option displayed is please select a CSV file. Below that, click the Choose File button to import your CSV file, which contains the email addresses you want to verify. After selecting the file, click Open. And you will see the imported file along with its name. To start the verification process, click the Validate Email button. If you need to remove the current file and upload a new one, click Clear. Finally, click Validate to proceed. After the process is complete, the tool will display the result report. In the first column, you will see a list of all email addresses. The second column shows the syntax status indicating whether the email addresses are valid. The domain column displays the domain names, while the mail server column shows the servers being used, such as Google or Microsoft. The deliverable column indicates whether an email can be sent, showing yes if messages can be delivered, and no if they cannot. You can also export this report by clicking the Export to CSV button. Once you click it, enter the file name and browse the location here you want to save CSV file. Now, open the exported CSV file to check the results. And that's it. That's how you can quickly verify email addresses using the SysTools Email Address Checker tool. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.